Hello, beautiful girls. Welcome back to my channel, Such a Beautiful Life. So, girls, today I am going to introduce you to a different type of a box. Some of you may be knowing of this box. It's not a new box, it's a period box. Most of us spend quite a bit on our external beauty, but we really do not bother so much about things which is with us throughout our life as girls. That's something very important in our life. It's a stage when we are not in a really good mood, we may be irritable, we may not want to do things, and that's the time when you should be happy about being a girl and enjoy everything about being a girl. So, girls, the box I'm talking about is this Being Juliet, and this is a period box but a little more than a period box. So, it ensures that you are well prepared for your period, you are taken care of during your period, and you feel pampered during your periods. So, girls, let's just go ahead and see what we have received in this box. So, while I am opening this box, let me just tell you a little about Being Juliet. So, Being Juliet is a period box, as I mentioned earlier. They have three different types of boxes with them. Those are Jane, Juliet, and Jade. So, they have different things. I will be mentioning it side by side in this video. I am going to describe the Being Juliet box. So, this is the classical box which was their first launch. This box consists of 20 sanitary essentials of your choice, which could be pads, they could be tampons and panty liners, a mix of your choice based on your need and your flow. So you would pay typically rupees 1650 for this box, and for a 3-month subscription. This box reaches you 5 days before you are expecting your next period. So when you enroll or subscribe to this box, they ask you all your details like your first day of your last menstrual period, how long does your period last, what is the frequency of your period. So they do take care of everything there. They have also gone green, so I'm not expecting any sort of an card inside. They have already emailed me the contents inside. So I have opened the box. As you can see, it's a very sturdy cardboard box. It is lined by a tissue, very nicely wrapped. I mean, you feel pleasant when you see this box. I'm unwrapping it and let's just see the essentials which are there. So, girls, this is how the box looks like. First thing I received are the sanitary essentials of my choice. The next one I got is this Sirona Feminine Pain Relief Patch. So many of us girls get a lot of discomfort and abdominal pain, back pain during our period. This is an Ayurvedic patch which you can use during those days. You can use 1 to 2 patches in a day. They have given all the instructions how to use it and how it's going to help you. So this one pack has 5 pieces of the patch and will do for your entire cycle. This is definitely a new product. Let me talk about this in another video. The next product that I have received is this Sof. So it is a flavored Sof. Sof is known to reduce the pain and discomfort during period. So it's very thoughtful and they always look at providing this comforters, different types of comforters every month. So this is the Sof which is there. I'll just taste it and let you know how it is. Oh, so it's a lovely minty Sof and very nice. So this was the second comforter. The first was the Sirona. This is the second one. Then comes your gift, those to pamper you. So the first one I have received is this neem and aloe vera moisturizing lotion from Nature's Essence. So again, it's a natural product. It's a 20 ml sample size product. The next pampering product, which is again from a natural brand, Mitise, and it is a shampoo and conditioner. It is again in dry form. So it is a brownish powder. It is made of gooseberries, fenugreek, hibiscus, nutgrass, soap berries, shikakai, etc. So again, a very nice product. It is specially meant for oily hair and those with dandruff. You have to mix it with water, soak it for some time, and then apply it like a shampoo and conditioner and rinse it off. This may cause initial drying of your scalp, but as you use it more often, it says it will improve scalp condition. There is one more product from Mitise. So that is Wild Essence face wash. It is anti-acne and anti-suntan. Again, talks about cleaning pore, removes fine wrinkles. You can see this is again a powder, and you need to dilute it either in water, rose water, and use it. And it's not over yet. Thing that I have received is this hair wrap magic. It is something different. So it's a towel basically. Let me just open it and show it to you. So Bean Juliet is a box which I feel is a basic necessity. It really helps you during your period. It always comes up with some novel items in their boxes. So every few months they introduce you to a new product. Like this month they have sent this Sirona Feminine Relief Pad. The one patch is supposed to last for somewhere around 12 hours. And I just checked on Amazon. This itself costs around 300 rupees. I think they are very thoughtful. I mean, they have thought of everything from providing the essentials, so as well as trying to keep you happy and pleased and sending you gifts of your choice. So when you fill in the questionnaire for the first time, they also ask you what type of gifts do you like. Do you like some lifestyle? Do you like cosmetics? Do you like hair product? You can actually choose, and they try to adjust your comforters and pamperers according to your taste. It's definitely a box which I love. I have been subscribing to this box for a long time, but never thought of putting it up on YouTube. So this time I thought, let me just talk about it. And we girls should really look into our menstrual health and our personal health while we want to look beautiful and gorgeous and all sophisticated. So girls, I hope you liked my video, and if you did like it, please do subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and I would love to hear from you. I also wanted to ask if you would want me to do a video on menstrual hygiene and menstrual hygiene products. If you would like to hear more about it, what are the different types of products and how we can really take care of ourselves before the menstrual period, during the period, and also care after, I will be more than happy to do a video on it. So do let me know, comment below if you would like to have the next video on your menstrual products and menstrual care. Thank you for watching the video.